Hello everyone. Welcome to this Java learning journey. If you are completely new to programming, don't worry. In this series, we are going to learn Java from absolute basics in a very simple and practical way. Now, you might have heard about Java before, maybe during college, maybe during placements, or maybe while searching for programming languages online. But have you ever wondered why is Java still used everywhere even after so many years? Why do large companies still depend on Java? And how does Java actually work internally? That is exactly what we are going to understand today. So, let's begin our Java journey. Before moving forward, let's quickly see what we are going to learn in this episode. First, we will understand what Java actually is. Then, we will see why Java becomes one of the most popular programming languages in the world. After that, we will understand how Java works internally. This is a very important topic because many beginners simply write code without understanding what happens behind the scenes. Then we will clearly understand the difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM using simple examples. And finally, we will write and run our first Java program. So, by the end of this episode, you will have a strong foundation in Java basics. So, first of all, what exactly is Java? Java is a high level programming language used for building different kinds of software applications. It was developed by Sun Microsystems and later acquired by Oracle. One of the biggest reasons Java became popular is platform independence. Now, what does that mean? Imagine you are writing a Java program on Windows. Normally, many languages depend on heavily on the operating systems, but Java works differently. Java allows the same program to run on different systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac without rewriting the code. This concept is called write once and run everywhere. And this is the one of the strongest advantages of Java. Java is also object oriented. Now, don't worry about the term object oriented right now. We will understand it properly in future videos with real examples. Okay, then here are the features of Java, which are simple, secure, robust, scalable, multi threaded. With examples, we will reach a look upon these features more deeply. Then, now let's see where Java is actually used in the real world. Many beginners think programming languages are only for small applications, but Java is used in huge real world systems. First, Java is heavily used in web applications. Here, we have given that Java is used to build powerful and scalable web applications. Examples are e commerce websites, online portals, etc. Java is heavily used in web applications, and many backend systems are built using Java. Second, Java is widely used in enterprise applications. Enterprise applications are large software systems used by companies and organizations. For example, banking systems, hospital management systems, then airline reservation systems, etc. Next, Java is also famous for Android development. For many years, Android apps were mainly developed using Java. Java is also used in desktop applications, cloud applications, for games, and also the financial systems. So, Java is not just a beginner language. It is actually a industrial level programming language. Many banking systems you use daily are powered by Java. So, why Java is popular? Now, That is the question that becomes uh, that coming in all our mind. Why is Java still so popular? There are many programming languages today, yet Java continues to survive strongly. The first reason is simplicity, right? Java syntax is beginner friendly compared to many low level languages. Second one is Java is highly secure. This is why banks and enterprise companies trust Java. Third one is it is robust. That means Java handles errors efficiently and provides stability. Another reason is scalability. Java applications can grow from small programs to huge enterprise systems. Java also has a massive community, so whenever you face problems, you can easily find solutions online. And finally, Java has huge job opportunities. Many software companies still hire Java developers for backend and enterprise development. A language surviving this long in the software industry is not accidental. So, now let's understand something very important: how Java works internally. Now, let's look at some important features that made Java one of the most powerful and widely used programming languages in the world. These features are actually the reason many companies still trust Java even today. The first feature is simplicity. Java was designed to be easier than many older programming languages. Its syntax is clean and easier to understand for beginners. For example, if you want to print something in Java, you can simply use system.out.println. Java removes many complicated concepts found in older languages that makes learning and writing programs much easier. This is one reason many beginners start programming with Java. Even if you are completely new to coding, Java helps you build strong fundamentals. The second feature is platform independence. This is one of Java's biggest strengths. Normally, some programs work only on specific operating systems, but Java works differently. A Java program written on Windows can also run in Linux or Mac. This is possible because of the JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. This concept is called write once and run anywhere. Imagine a company building software for thousands of computers. Instead of rewriting code for every system, Java allows the same program to run everywhere. That saves a lot of time and effort. Imagine rewriting the same software separately for every operating system. That would be very difficult, right? Third feature is security. Java provides strong built-in security features. This is one reason Java is used in banking systems and enterprise applications. Java programs run inside the JVM, which helps protect the system from harmful operations. Java also avoids many dangerous memory related problems. That makes Java safer compared to many low level languages. Think about online banking applications. Security becomes extremely important there. That's why many banking systems prefer Java. The next feature is robustness. Robust means strong and reliable. Java is designed to handle errors efficiently. For example, Java provides exception handling, which helps programs manage errors without crashing immediately. Java also has automatic memory management using something called garbage collection. This helps reduce memory related issues. Because of this reliability, Java is trusted in large enterprise systems. Large companies cannot afford software crashes frequently. The final feature here is multi-threading. Multi-threading means Java can perform multiple tasks at the same time. For example, suppose you are using a music app, music is playing, notifications are coming, and app is still responding smoothly. This is because multiple tasks run simultaneously. Java supports this using threads. Multi-threading improves performance and user experience. Now, look at this thought. Java is not just a language, it is a complete platform. This is very true. Java is not only about writing code, it also provides a runtime environment, libraries, development tools, security features, and cross platform support. All this together make Java a complete ecosystem. So, these are major features that made Java one of the most successful programming languages in the software industry. In the next session, let's understand how Java actually works internally through Java architecture. Now, let's understand something very important, how Java actually works internally. This is where many beginners become confused. So, let's understand step by step. First, we write Java code inside a file with a .java extension. Example, hello world.java. Then the Java compiler, that is Java C compiler, converts the code into a bytecode. The bytecode is then stored inside a .class file. Now, computers cannot directly understand this Java code. So the JVM comes into action. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. The JVM converts this bytecode into the machine readable instructions. Finally, the operating system executes the instructions and gives us out. Now, here is the most important point. Because Java uses bytecode and JVM, the same Java program can run on different operating systems. And this is exactly why Java becomes platform independent. This architecture is one of the strongest reasons behind Java's success. Now, let's clearly understand about JDK, JRE, and JVM. Many beginners memorize these terms without actually understanding them. So let's simplify it. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It contains tools needed for Java development like compiler, that is Java C, then libraries and debugging tools. Next, JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. It provides the environment needed to run Java applications. Finally, JVM stands for Java Runtime, sorry, JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. JVM executes Java bytecode. Now let's understand this with a simple analogy. Like think of Java like a railway system. JDK is the complete railway setup, JRE is the train environment, and JVM is the engine that actually runs the train. This analogy makes it much easier to remember. Analogy also improves the memory retention massively. Then, coming to our next slide, we can we are now able to write our first program. This is the traditional Hello World program. Here we create a class which is named Hello World. Inside the class, we define the main method. The main method is the starting point of every Java application. Then we use system.out.println to print output on the console. After compiling and running the program, we get Hello World. So, congratulations, you have now written your first Java program. We will discuss it later on VS Code as a practical class. Then we have came to our ending session. So today we learned what Java is, why Java is popular, and how Java works internally, JDK, JRE, and JVM, and our first Java program. This is the first step in your Java programming journey. Don't try to memorize everything immediately. Focus on understanding the concepts slowly. In the next episode, we will learn about variables, data types, operators with practical examples. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing for more beginner friendly Java tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.